What's happening, you guys? And welcome back to the Orlando Science Center. I'm joined by Zach once again. And all throughout the month of March, we're highlighting Engineering Month here at the Orlando Science Center. And we've got some pretty heavy-duty equipment behind us, right, Zach?
Yeah, so we're in the Hive, our makerspace that's presented by the Isaacs family, and we are going to be using our laser cutter. This is a tool that a lot of our fabrication team uses, as well as our maker team here inside the Hive. In fact, every single one of our name tags throughout the building are made using this exact laser cutter.
It's funny because I've been working with you guys for like 2 years now, and I see the name tags every time I'm here, but I never knew how they were made. So it's going to be nice to actually see the process today.
Yeah, you'll get a sneak peek into it. And so our laser cutter can actually do two separate things. It can cut through wood, that's called a vector cut, or it can rasterize, or it can do an etch.
Okay.
And so we're gonna do something really, really special today. We're gonna be making our Signs of It logo in celebration of our partnership here at WESH 2 and Orlando Science Center. So when you're ready, you can go ahead and hit that go button, and we'll start etching our logo into this mahogany panel.
There's a lot of pressure on me right now.
Yeah, a lot of pressure, go ahead. And there it goes. It's going to start with that rasterized image, that gradient, that etching that's going to go ahead and do. And you can see the speed picks up depending on the depth of the cut, the depth of the etch it has to make. And so when it has a darker section, it's going to go a lot faster, and the laser is actually burning at a more intense frequency. This is a CO2 laser, which means it's best at cutting organic materials, things like wood or acrylic. It wouldn't do as well with things like metal. You would want more of a like fiber optic laser. So there are different kinds of laser cutters. This is also a 75-watt laser cutter, meaning it has pretty intense powers. We can get through some pretty thick wood if we needed to.
Okay. So how exactly does it take the image that's created on this laptop and translate that to wood?
Yeah, so this is a process that Epilog has where we're able to kind of input all of that information, and just like a regular printer at home, it's going to slice that information line by line, and then instead of an ink print head, we have a laser print head that's doing the exact same thing.
That is so cool.
Yeah, so guests can do their own type of laser cutting, or at least wood burning, here in the Hive all month long. Every single weekend, we're going to be hosting our wood burning workshops, and you can see some examples of what we can make. Now, it's not using a laser, it is using a very hot piece of metal called a wood burner, and you can see some pretty cool effects, but just so we can get a sneak peek of what the final product will look like, this is our laser cut and etched Signs of It logo.
Love to see it. I love to see it being created too. I love the creative process, and there's so many different ways to tap into your creative prowess here at the Orlando Science Center.
And especially during MakeFest, March 14th and 15th, where we're going to have a ton of maker activities take over the entire building.
And I can't wait to see all of you guys rather soon.